out there.
Okay, so we're gonna be playing the Mosquito Ringtone.
May 14th.
And I get to get out first, second, third.
Chelsea, any captions for your pictures?
Wow, this is
again.
really
Yeah.
wow.
Does it take a long time?
Listen. Oh my God! You guys are not funny. I hate you guys. It's you three, isn't it? No, it's someone's phone.
It's the Mosquito Ringtone.
I hate that. Oh my God!
Try it again.
Okay.
Everyone be quiet. Everyone be quiet.
And the top won't be able to hear it.
Yeah, something like that. If there's want to be specific in Arlington, you know, you can just be general, maybe something.
Do you hear that?
Something.
I can just hear it.
Something that's being said.
Can I see it? Can I like put it up close?
Yeah.
It's like, it's a really high pitched beat.
Oh, I can. It hurts my ears.
Yeah, I still don't hear anything.
Is it playing again? No, it is.
Is something ringing?
Yep, no. Don't hear anything.
Okay, so one time it went off in my math class, and Mr. Bogasic didn't hear it, and everyone else was like, what is that beeping noise?
I hear it.
Okay.
Do a lower one. Do a lower.
Oh, okay. Please hold.
Oh, I hear that.
Oblivion.
I'm confused.
David.
Do you hear that?
It's not audible. Oh, well, did you hear that?
Did anyone hear that?
I didn't.
I didn't.
You tried one?
Yep. Oh, I'm not giving it to you. Oh. It's very spelled out. David, I'm hurting.
You heard it, didn't you?
No, I was David recording on, so that's why I heard it.
David.
Are you still playing that?
No.
Dude,
No.
where's the website? Because I want to do it in one of my classes.
FreeMosquitoRingtones.org.
What is it? Do it again.
Okay, hold on.
We could all do it at the same
Look at my
time.
word. She can't hear it.
What's the website?
FreeMosquitoRingtones.org.
Can you hear that? Can you hear it? I can't hear it.
Oh my God!
I'm like half deaf.
Totally oblivious.
She turned around.
That or.
Oh no.
And I was just sitting.
Am I supposed to hear that?
There's nothing right now, but you hit the play button.
Play everyone.
Wow, I definitely hear that now.
I just heard one. It's not funny.
Wait, play it again.
Still oblivious.
I'll hear that.
David, I'm gonna hurt.
Miss Pop can't hear it.
Can you really not?
No.
Or that one.
Maybe she's just ignoring you.
Or that one. Or that one. I can't hear somebody. Oh, I heard that one. I want to hear this.
Andy's back.
The new internet phenomenon. Oh, I can hear that one.
Oh, this is funny.
Can't.
Hold on.
Okay, tell us the story.
Are we having a staff meeting?
We're sort of.
Sort of.
To be, but.